So, Sam, you know how I was telling you about that Facebook offer thing on ribeye? Well, I got a couple of packs so I can individually vacuum pack them and then be able to put them in the freezer and pull them out when I want them and cook them in the shop, because we do this quite a lot. But yeah, I think it was 50 quid, 50. Right, so I've just had a look and this steak was 50 quid for 3 kilos within stewing steak, and these are UK ribeyes. You can have it in a big chunk that you could roast, or you can have it pre-cut into steaks. I think they said there was about 12 to 15 steaks per pack if you ordered them cut, and I ordered the marble ones. See, it's heavy, looks alright. So there you go. They came in yesterday afternoon. The girls put them in the fridge for me, because you know I had a bit of a drama with keys yesterday. Anyway, they look pretty good, to be honest. I don't see any of that nasty white sinew horrible stuff that you often get through some of the supermarket steaks. They look pretty clean, to be honest. They really do. Now, they're big. My finger to thumb is 6 inches. Those are a good, easy 8-inch long by about 4 inches in those. And I don't know how many's in a packet, but I'm guessing there's about 12. I'll weigh them and vacuum pack them up tomorrow and see what they come out like. And then probably finish this video off. But let me just get a scale actually and put them on a scale too and just... Alright, so just so you can see there's no cheating, that's 0 grams on there. And this says 3 kilos. Shouldn't be picking that up with my bad arm, should I? 3266 in that lot, including the tray and the plastic. Well, that's going to be more than 3 kilos because that polystyrene tray probably only weighs like 50 grams. This pack. £3 and 52 grams. And that one again is the bigger one at 3268. Yay, extra steak. So I'll do a close-up of these tomorrow because I ain't going to get them vacuum packed tonight. I've got a video on a stove to go and do through there. But they look alright, they really do. So when you're having your mates round and you're cooking your steak on your Hellfire Grill, they look not bad at all. They're not your local butcher, but at that money, that's not a bad night out, is it? Or night in. Just to show you the size of these, that steak is 343 grams, as you can see. And it's bigger than my hand. It really is a great big lump of the thing. And these are massive. It's not bad looking at all, actually. So we've got 3. They get bigger. That's half a cow. 4. They do get bigger. 5. 6. Oh, that's a chunk. 7. 8. 9. 9 steaks to 3 kilos. Over 3 kilos. So, yeah, these are a brute and a half. Quite literally. I think that one that I started with is probably the smallest out of the lot. Right. Mils and grams being the same on a scale. We'll wash that up in a minute. 363. I've just managed to turn it off now. Anyway, they're big. They're huge. I think I'm going to cut these in half because for what I need with them, I'd be better with 2 pieces rather than 1. I could certainly cook one of them whole. But that took me a fortnight to get through one of them. Good grief.